SYC Myrtle Beach. Harry, welcome back. Your hair looks great, by the way. Looks like you got a haircut.
Ooh,
oh my God. All right, in the vlog. Haley driving.
Yo, what's up?
Oh my God.
it's been way too long, but SYC practice day. Here we go.
Let's go.
Here we go. Support team for our children. Check this out. This is a dedicated bunch of women right here. Smart, good looking, dedicated, accomplished people. That's right. Here we are. And there they all go. All of the talented offspring. Give me a high five on that. Woo woo!
SYC.
Hi.
Connie.
We got Connie. Here we go, guys. Fun weekend. You know it. Here we go. SYC with some of the most beautiful bowlers in the industry. Here they are. Check it out. There it is. Haley Lindley. Yes!
Nice try. That close.
Brunswick staffer, Harrison Morton with the new melee trap. I'm Harmon Jr. stepping up. What do you say, Mom?
All right, so first squad of practice went pretty well. Got a few balls, different areas of the lane that you can play. Looks like it's going to be about 10 or 15 out to about 5 down lanes. 40-foot pattern, 24 mils. Thank God the gutter's not in play, because the gutter is not really in play ever at Planet Fun. So I'm going to say that's a good thing. And now we're going to Little River for practice session number 2. Got Justin's ball.
haven't hit the con in the truck yet.
Seven.
The number is 7. That's a lot of 5. Right through it, right in the middle. Easy. Not a chance.
All right, how was practice, boys? You go first.
My practice was great. I had a great look on both patterns.
Wow, that's a first.
On my head out.
I'll go next.
How was it? Not good?
I'm not gonna,
You got no words?
Wait, on one of the patterns I had a good look. The other pattern I had another good look. It's just,
They're playable.
if I could hit the same spot twice, might be good. But
That'd be bonus.
Justin, how was your practice session?
yeah.
My
How
practice-
about you, big guy?
They're all right. They're not bad. They could be better. They could be worse.
All I'm saying is, what's
not-
the second place? Little River.
Yeah.
The fronts in that building are gonna break down so fast. You're just gonna have to get really far left really quick, I think.
So,
it's definitely gonna be a score fest.
oh yeah, no doubt.
100%.
No doubt.
Yeah, 100%.
No doubt. So, we got some extra content tonight. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Harry. What are we doing?
See that little bird over there?
That one?
It's mine.
You sure?
Take this in a very slow procedure. Strategy is going to help me catch this bird.
This is the predator in its natural habitat, feeding on the prey.
I wonder if he's gonna use the go in the lake strategy to get this bird.
You come from behind.
Oh, in the water,
Hey, he's giving the finger.
We got a finger up.
He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. He's handled this many a times.
Oh, he's gonna
He's going for it. He's going for it.
He's off to the races,
And the bird won the race.
and he wasn't going in the lake after it.
He looked visibly upset.
Dude, he disappointed us quite a lot. I can't believe he did that.
No contact.
Mike, I got something for you. Just open the bag. Open it up. Open the bag.
So we heard you're a huge.
No way. Third.
What was it? What is it?
It's William Byron stuff. It's autographed too.
By who?
Check now.
There you go.
That
Pretty
is so
sweet.
awesome, guys.
That is great.
So, oh yeah. Give me that. Come on.
Hit anywhere else, you left-handed.
Go.
7 seconds.
Ah, man, come on.
Yeah! That's right!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
No!
I'm tired of looking at this thing.
Yeah! God! Oh, what the? Give me that!
Spicy meatball, baby.
I love the man, but he's not that good at pinball.
Oh! Here we come. The comeback is beginning.
Dude, stop! Oh my god! I'm not!
Or on this. No, that crossover shit. No, that's me. Crossover crap! Crossover crap.
Don't do it. Well, do it. All right. You better stop. Oh my God. Yeah, baby. 7-4.
7-4. Oh,
Out of the way!
oh, look out. I'm good. I'm good. That's coming.
For the vlog in Myrtle Beach. You going first?
You next?
Dude, I gotta follow that up. Oh my God.
Uh-oh. No pressure.
Oh my God.
Wait, hold on. They just, Haley and Natalie said they're gonna do it. Not a chance. Not a chance. No way.
Okay, ready?
No way.
Why are we doing this?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, they actually did it.
I hit the bottom.
Wait, we're gonna get go.
That was a miss. So we settled the debate between which belongs on bacon, syrup or Nutella. Click the link right here to see the full video, but here's a few of our favorite parts.
I hate people watching me eat.
Nobody's watching them. No.
Maybe.
Not yet. That's a lot.
Come on,
That's
come
a
on.
lot.
Oh, number 2.
No.
Come on, man.
There's a winner. I already have the winner.
It's on
And
sheet
it is
paper.
by a landslide. Syrup, baby.
No!
Who puts Nutella on their bacon? That is nonsense, Mike.
That is going to be tough to beat. Alright, I'm going to start with something. Oh, Doug. Doug is thinking.
I mean,
That hurt.
how do you feel?
I got a headache.
You ready? See Myrtle Beach practice day here. Practicing, all right. All right.
But all right for all of us. Not
It's
good,
like,
not bad.
But the worst part about today,
No, the best part.
we
No,
lost.
the worst.
We lost.
The debate is
The
10
debate
to
is
9.
over.
10,
Syrup over
9.
Nutella, and Mike, dude, this is only for winners.
Yeah.
So,
So, signing off here from SYC Myrtle Beach.
and we'll see you tomorrow. Team Syrup all day.
Let's go!